Hi, once again, welcome to my YouTube channel, Rizal Delightful Lessons, and I am ready to share another tutorial video on how to add and use the Bitmoji Chrome extension. So let's start and enjoy learning. I want to emphasize that you should have downloaded the application in your cell phone so that you can extend it in your Google Chrome. So remember your password and of course your email ad or your Gmail ad that you used in your downloading in your cell phone or tablet. So you go now to browser and you need to enter this URL so you can access the extension of your Bitmoji. So you should have okay, so let's edit, and you should have https://bit.ly/ Chrome Bitmoji, and then or you can also click this one at the upper portion of the screen. So you click that apps, which means application, and you can you see Chrome apps there. Then you need to okay, so let's see. So these are the different applications for Google. Then you can click the web store there, the Chrome web store. Then as you can see here, these are the possible applications that you can also add as extension, or if you need this one of this, so you can just search on it. So click extension, then you may search now Bitmoji. So let's just write Bitmoji, then this will pop up. So as you can see here, this is now the Bitmoji. So make sure you have clicked the extensions and then add to Chrome. Then it's checking. So you can see here it can read and change your data on a number of websites. So let's try to add extension here. So as you can see here, it's still checking, and there. So let's try to navigate first. So you will see there this one. So have a Bitmoji. So once you have downloaded it in your in your tablet or cell phone, this will pop up. So you may put your email address. Make sure your email address that you used when you have created your account in your tablet or cell phones or mobile phones, and then you write it here. And then of course you should know your password, and I think and I believe you have secured your password, and then you may log in. And then once you logged, you will see this one, and then you may save. Then you're logged in. It says here you're logged in. So let's try to navigate what are the other information here. Then you will see, so you may also, so I want to see what is here. So okay, let me try to click me. So so you will see in your Gmail that informing you that you are extending your Bitmoji in your so here, get it. So Bitmoji for Gmail is ready to go. So just click got it. Then so let me close this one. Then let's have, so I am not sending this message, so let me put X this one, then here, and I see, so I want you to see the interface once you're logged in. So I am just scrolling it up and down. So let's see this one. So I can see this URL here, the link, and then this is the link, the Google Drive, image, and others. So that is, so let me see, you can log out also if you wish to log out now, but I am not logging out. So let's proceed to my I'll open a Google browser so I can go to Google Slide. So let's see, let's try to pin the application that we have extended. So of course you need to go to your Gmail, the same. So it says here you're logged in, so I am just securing and verifying if I really logged in. And then since I use the same email, so let me use slides now, so I can use this Bitmoji to insert images. So let me have, okay, so I'm here now. So open a blank sheet, so, or I mean blank slide. So here, so we are ready to customize this slide by inserting our Bitmoji images or your avatar, since we have already extended our account from our other gadgets. So aside from using the insert or your image, so our main objective here is to use our Bitmoji Chrome extension so that we can finish our slides editing faster. So once you are here, so you click, you go to this icon. Once you click that one, you will see your, so let me use another one. So this one, so all you need to do is to click and hold, and then you can just drag and paste. So you can drag and drop. So you can let's have another. So I wish to have another Bitmoji here. So scroll, you can harvest your avatars here. So let me use this one. So very timely, wear your mask. So you just, what I did is to click, hold, and drag, drop. So there, so you can edit now your Bitmoji. So wear your mask, wearing your mask is important. So you can also insert images using this special buttons here. Then for example, you can also write the specific Bitmoji. So here, for example, I want congratulations. So congratulations. So you will see here, oops, so okay, let me change this one, not all caps lock. Let me use the standard. Okay, there, I saw the congratulations. So here, so again, click, hold, drag, and you just drop it. Then all you need to do is to adjust the other inserted images so that you will see what you have inserted. And here, so I have here already the congratulations Bitmoji, so ready for editing. So I hope you learned something new again on how to add and use the Bitmoji Chrome extension in your Google Slides. So again, let's have a recap on how to do it. So one is to create a Bitmoji account using tablet or Android phone. 2, go to chrome.google.com or web store. Then 3, search for Bitmoji. 4, click add to Chrome. Then once you have added, you need to re-enter your Bitmoji account details like Gmail and password. Then open Google browser, then click Google Apps icon. 7, click extensions icon. You can locate it at the upper right corner. And 8, you need to pin the Bitmoji. And finally, you are ready to insert images by a drag and drop procedure. So that's it. I hope you understood the procedure and you can start now. Go! I know you can do it. So thank you very much and bye!